guys, welcome to S Production Games, and we are part 2, and let's make a game in Unity. Alright, yes, we are using the Unity engine, and we're gonna make a game. So far we've started this series, I didn't really have a game set, we're just exploring all the possibilities and the neat features of Unity. Like I said before, I'm really new to it too, so I'm just messing around, and hopefully while I'm messing around I can finally probably get an idea what we're gonna do. Definitely want to keep it simple, definitely not gonna try and work on, oh, let's make an MMO RPG or let's make a real-time strategy. Nah, I can't even do all that. Might be a simple platformer at first, get things started. I'm really trying to avoid the first-person shooters because I just see so many. I don't want to do anything like that. But yeah. So let's get started. Let's go first to Unity. Let's go to. I saved our previous thing, but I didn't name it. Hopefully you did. Oh, this is something else I got working on. Let me get away from it so you guys won't see it. Open project, new Unity project 5. That's what we got saved. Let's open it up. All right. Now, if you did the last one, hopefully you saved it. Hopefully you named it. I did, but I saved it, but I didn't name it. But luckily I was able to find it. I knew what it was. So once you open the project, that was file open project, find what you got to do. Once you open it, you see things blank. The first time, like, whoa, what about all the stuff I did? Then you gotta remember there's scenes. So there's the whole project, and there's scenes. So you gotta go file, open scene, and public scene 1. That's what I created. Open, bam. So let's play it out real quick. You see what we got done so far. What we did so quick last video, it didn't take much, was add these palm tree, add a texture to the ground, and add these cylinders with the rock textures on them. Pretty cool, right? Alright, it's alright. But now you can jump on them, a little platform action. Yeah, the controls kind of bother me a little bit. I don't know. Platforming on first-person view is never really a good thing that well. Not really done well in a lot of games. But yeah. So you see, look, oh my goodness, look at this. Oh gosh. But it looks great, Oh, there's no collision detection on the trees, which we could do that. That's not difficult. Alright, so that's what we got so far. There's some pretty cool things. So we got 2 palm trees. Let me see. You can just add collision, add component, and you can just add where are you? Physics? Yeah. Is it rigid body? Okay, add a rigid body. I think when you add a rigid body, the gravity. Yeah, see, the tree just dropped. Yeah, let's get it out there. And this. Yeah, tree just dropped. So instead, let's take out the rigid body. Remove component. Let's add box collider. Yeah, so go box collider. What was it? Okay. Size. We can just shrink it like this. But try to match it up with the tree, So got that close. Zoom in and position it closer to the tree, right? So just raising it. You could do that, right? Now you see it's not perfect up here, but we're not going up there right now. So let's just play with it real quick. Which tree was it? This one? No, this one. Alright. Boom. Boom. The only bad thing is you actually collide, but you're going through it at the same time. So it's not good. So maybe make it a little bit wider. I mean, that's not really accurate, but let's see. Boom. A little bit better, right? Go this side. Boom. Up, up. It's not good. But that's not our focus right now. We'll figure that out next time. But anyways, yeah, so you can add trees and add the collision to them, and it'll be fine. Let's explore something else. One thing I was messing around with was the terrain. How did I do that? Let's go to game object, 3D object, terrain. Boom. Now we just added huge terrain. Now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna move it right. Let's make sure. Okay. Now I got this huge terrain. Way bigger than it really needed to be. So how about I guess you can't really mess with the size of the terrain. I guess not. I don't know. Okay. We can add mountains. You see here? Click here. Let's use the default brush size. And we can create, let's erase the opacity. I want big mountains. So boom. We can just lifting the mountains. We're having a hard time seeing the point light. Let's go to the range of the point light and let's raise it to 2000. Position. Okay, moving in like that. And I might be able to mess with it. You gotta click one of the boxes, right? Okay, yeah, there you go. Alright, that's huge, right? That was a range we just did. Okay, so I'm still learning these things. Alright, let's go back to the terrain and let's mess with some more mountains. Use a bigger brush size. Want the edge just so you don't fall off. Alright, even though we probably won't even make it this far, it's really huge map. As you can see, the one we created, the little plane we did over there, you can hardly see it. So add little mountains here, and you see you can mess with the little brushes, and they have different effects, and it's cool. You want to zoom in and get a better look at what's taking place. Alright, doing this. Let's mess with another brush, little dots. Boom, 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 boom. That's cool, right? So it's up to you when you do your level design how you want to do things, and you want to be smart, not just make a huge slop mess like I'm doing right now. But we just getting things figured out right here, right? So we got that going. Now, what we can do, let's lower the brush size. Let's just make some. I don't like it that much, but alright, okay, I'm done with that. Now, you can flatten something right here, like, I'm not too happy with that, I definitely wasn't. Flatten an area, some certain areas, you know? You can do that, and then this smooths the height. That I'm not too sure. Oh, I don't know what I did there. But let's paint. Now we can add texture. So if you go to this paint part here and edit textures, add texture, select, and let's go to dirt, good dirt. Add that. Oh, it's dirt all over the place now. And let's make the tile 64 by 64. Let's. All right. Next thing you want to do, let's get a nice zoom in. Wow, man. Now you don't want sand all over here all the time. But let's play it real quick and see how it looks. Let's go over there. Alright. Got this huge terrain we can travel now. Look at the sand. Not bad, right? Not bad at all, but it's very barren and empty. Alright, and we got nice clouds and textures out here, and we could do some more. Now still, like, you know, this is not really working on the game right now. We just mess with the stuff. Cause this, I'm gonna trash all this in later once I'm done messing around. You know, let's add another asset. Import package tree creator. Import all that. My guessing, since it say tree creator, that you probably can use the assets and kind of create different type of trees. I don't know, but they already have a set tree model there, so we can have two different ones we can use just for right now. You know. All right, so let's go to standard assets. We got tree creator, trees, big tree. All right, so now let's go back to terrain. Now this is what I found out messing around. We got trees, but let's add some grass. I'm gonna use this right here, and then let's add grass texture. Click this part right here, and let's look for grass. I know we have grass somewhere. Add. Let's add another. It's two different type of grass here, so let's get the other one too. Damn, where are you? I passed you already. Grass 2. Add. So we got two types of grass. Okay. So now we got grass like, but you know what? That's not the only thing I wanted to do. Add texture. Select, and we want the regular grass. Okay. Add that. I can't see the difference if it's making, is it really is? Oh, this is just sand. I ain't click on it. Yeah, so boom. This is smaller. Make that smaller. The opacity is very high. Alright, let's go back to grass. And just touch some parts here. Alright, mess around with this. This is good, right? Let's add some rocks. Add texture. Almost done. I know a lot of time already went. Okay, where are you? Rock. Cliff. And low opacity, brush size. Let's focus right here. Oh, make sure we click on the rock. Have a little bit here, a little bit there. Now, oh man, make it 64. 64. Alright, let's go back to the themes, add some more grass. Now we can add trees. Let's add the other part of grass. That. Yeah, okay. Trees, edit trees, add tree. We got palm, add. Then we're gonna add another tree, the big tree, add. Now, make a smaller brush size. We don't want too many trees. So, boom, boom. Okay, it's cool, right? Big tree, tree density, not too many. Oh, let's raise that a little bit more. Okay. Now let's play that. Alright. Look at this grass. Oh, it looks nice, right? Oh, we need some flowers and some rocks in there. Oh, this looks good. We got the trees up here. Okay, looks good. Looks good. Wow, the tree was just moving. Yeah. So look at what you think, guys. Look, we just made a quick terrain, bunch of trees, and all that. Yeah. See, look at this. All this game handles. This engine can do so much, and we just messing with the automatic features. Look at this. We got a little rock going here. Blending. It's pretty cool, right? It's pretty cool. It's really cool. So that's it, guys. That's all I mess around with today, and hopefully soon, I don't know, we'll finally have a set thing where we're gonna work on what kind of game and get started. But man, it's looking really good. I think we're gonna make something amazing. So guys, please like, subscribe if you like what's going on, and hopefully, you know what I'm saying, we can start on a real game. So I'll see you guys in the next section. Alright, next video.